just 20 bucks. Hey guys, Alex here, and in this video I'm going to talk about these headphones, the Sound P60 Wireless Bluetooth headphones. Not all headphones are created equal, and I'm guessing that some of you will not believe the build quality and overall good sound on these headphones. Cheap does not necessarily mean bad, and this is the case with these headphones. The Sound Intone P60 Bluetooth headphones deliver light, airy vocals with sparkling strings, crisp percussions and booming lows. As the title says, they are wireless with Bluetooth 4.1, which is very easy to connect with your phone or any device that has Bluetooth. They have 7 color schemes, which will make you special in the crowd. As the seller says, the battery can last up to 20 hours. I have not tested this yet, but I'm using them around 15 hours with no problems at all. For charging, it's very easy. Just plug in the USB cable and they are ready for charging. 3-in-1, which means that they support TF card, wireless and wired model. You have built-in microphone, which comes handy when you need to answer your calls, working or even gaming. Flexible design, comfortable for different size head, foldable design which is very easy to be carried. There are several options that these buttons can be used. To turn on the headphones, just long press the play button. To turn off the lights, just long press the M button. Earmuffs are really amazing, they fit great to my ears and they do cancel the noise. Simply amazing. I am recommending these headphones to everyone. For a price of 20 bucks, you will get a device which will leave you amazed. To be honest, I'm not planning to change them in near future. And that's it guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have some questions or comment about these headphones, feel free to ask me anything in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to my channel to encourage me to make more videos. So I will see you in the next one.